Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I have some leftover mixed mushrooms here from yesterday hot pot, and I have free-range chicken, half of a free-range chicken, and I also bought this is chicken essence. So I'm going to use all this together to steam chicken using chicken essence. So first of all, you prepare a steaming plate, and I'm going to put my mixed. Either you use mixed veggie or you use mixed mushroom will be good. Up to you, no problem. And I will be putting the chicken on top. So later you can imagine the flavor of the chicken will actually goes into the mushroom as well. So later the mushroom is going to taste as good as the chicken. Alright. Next thing, we're going to give it some seasoning. First of all, sprinkle some fine salt on top. I'm using free-range chicken today. How much is your free-range chicken nowadays? Mine is approximately 2 kg, about 50 or 50 plus ringgit. Right, so one layer of sprinkle a little bit of salt. And do I want to put fish sauce? Probably not. I'll skip fish sauce for this one. But I will give it a bit of Shaoxing wine for those who don't mind taking alcohol. This will give it some enhanced flavor and also to remove the gaminess of the chicken, if any. That is the purpose of having using Shaoxing wine. All right. Next thing, I have some chicken essence. You can use any type of chicken, any brand of chicken essence you have. And some chicken essence has stronger flavor. Actually, previous years, 20 years ago, chicken essence has very strong flavor. But nowadays, it is much more edible, if you ask me. And there are two kinds of timing where you can add in your chicken essence, up to you if you ask. If you ask me, first of all, you add it together to steam. This way, the chicken essence flavor will taste a bit lesser, which can be a good thing. All right, but the chicken essence company, like brands, they will actually suggest you to only add in the chicken essence after you finish steaming the chicken. Then you can get the full nutrition from the chicken essence itself. But I think I will actually put it a bit earlier, all right? And steam it together so that the chicken essence flavor is a bit lesser. But I want the nutrition also. Yeah? So and then I will add in some water here. So all this is going to add up to become a beautiful chicken stock later. You can put in a bit of white pepper if you like. If not, it is ready for steaming. So I have preheated my oven, steamer. Then I'm going to put in the chicken on the top layer. Later I'm going to steam chicken at the bottom. Steam fish at the bottom. So we're going to steam two things at the same time. It's always good when you have a 70-liter big steamer. So I'm going to steam the chicken for approximately 20 minutes. Alright, my chicken has been steaming for the past 20 minutes. And actually I have a lot more chicken stock than what you are looking at here. I actually take it out a bit. It's actually become a separate bowl by itself. Juicy. Alright, so now what we need to do is just to garnish it with some fresh coriander on top. And basically it's done. Right? That's how simple it is. Our steamed chicken with chicken essence. You have the chicken, you have the mushroom underneath, you have the chicken stock, you have the chicken essence. Beautiful dish for your family. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Cooking Appa fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel.